to Anirux channel. I'm your host Allegra DX. And in this video I will tell you interesting facts about elephants. Number 1. They are the world's largest land animal. The African savanna elephant is the world's largest land animal, with adult males, or bull elephants, standing up to 3 meters high and weighing up to 6,000 kilograms on average. Males only reach their full size at 35-40 years. That's well over half their lifespan, as wild elephants can live for up to 60-70 years. And it's not just the adults, even calves are huge. At birth, a baby elephant can weigh 120 kilograms, that's almost 19 stone. Number 2. Elephants are excellent swimmers. It may not come as a shock that elephants enjoy playing in the water. They are famous for splashing and showering themselves and others with sprays from their trunks. But it might be a surprise to learn that these huge animals are also quite good at swimming. Elephants have enough buoyancy to stay at the surface and use their powerful legs to paddle. They also use their trunk as a snorkel when crossing deep water, so they are able to breathe normally even when submerged. Swimming is a necessary skill for elephants as they cross rivers and lakes when searching for food. Number 3. They support those in need. Elephants are highly social and intelligent creatures, and they demonstrate behaviors we humans recognize as compassion, kindness, and altruism. In a study of elephant behavior, researchers found that when an elephant became distressed, other nearby elephants responded with calls and touches intended to console the individual. In addition to humans, this behavior was previously only witnessed in apes, canids, and corvids. Elephants also demonstrate empathetic behavior and targeted helping, where they coordinate with each other to help a sick or injured individual. Number 4. Elephants are constantly eating. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, shrubs, fruits and roots depending on the season and their habitat. When it's particularly dry, elephants will eat more woody parts of trees and shrubs like twigs, branches and barks. They need to eat up to 150 kilograms of food per day. That's around 375 tons of baked beans, although half of this may leave the body undigested. Elephants eat so much that they can spend up to 3/4 of their day just eating. Number 5. Elephants never forget. The memory of elephants is legendary, and for good reason. Of all land mammals, elephants possess the largest brains. They have the ability to recall distant watering holes, other elephants, and humans they have encountered, even after the passage of many years. Elephants transmit their wealth of knowledge from generation to generation through the matriarchs, and this sharing of information has been beneficial to the creature's survival. They are also able to recall the path to sources of food and water across great distances, and how to reach alternative areas should the need arise. Even more impressive, they adjust their schedule to arrive just in time for the fruit they are seeking to be ripe. Number 6. They use dirt as sunscreen. There's a good reason that elephants like to play in the dirt. Although their hide looks tough, elephants have sensitive skin that can get sunburned. To counteract the damaging rays of the sun, elephants throw sand on themselves. Adult elephants will also douse youngsters with dust. When coming out of a bath in a river, elephants will often throw mud or clay on themselves as a layer of protection. Number 7. They can't live without their trunks. Filled with over 40,000 muscles, an elephant's trunk is powerful and extremely sensitive. Elephants use their prehensile trunks to smell, eat, breathe underwater, make sounds, clean themselves, and defend themselves. Elephants have fingers at the tips of their trunks. African elephants have 2 and Asian elephants have 1, that allow them to pick up tiny objects. Extremely dexterous, elephants can form a joint with their trunk to pile up small materials like grains. An elephant will reach out its trunk and use its sense of smell to determine which foods to eat. In a 2019 study, Asian elephants were able to determine which of 2 sealed buckets contained more food based on smell alone. Another study found that African elephants could differentiate between a variety of plants and choose their favorite, guided only by scent. Elephants also use their trunks to hug, caress, and comfort other elephants, and baby elephants suck their trunks like human babies suck their thumbs. Apparently this helps them to learn how to use their trunks more effectively. With over 50,000 muscles in the trunk, this helps a young elephant figure out how to control and manipulate the muscles in the trunk so that it can fine-tune its use. Number 8. Elephants need their elders. All of the information necessary to elephants' survival is passed down by their elders. It's crucial for young elephants to spend time with older family members, particularly the matriarchs, so they can learn all that they'll need to know as adults. The matriarch of the herd carries the knowledge of the elders and shares essential information with the young, including how to respond to a variety of dangers and where to find food and water. While African elephants live in a matriarchal society, research has shown that Asian elephants are less hierarchical than their African counterparts and show little dominance based on age or gender. This difference in social organization could be attributed to habitat. In Africa, conditions are more harsh, so the elder's wisdom is more valuable. In parts of Asia where predators are few and resources are plentiful, there's not as much need for strong leadership. Number 9. They can hear through their feet. Elephants have a great sense of hearing and the ability to send vocalizations over long distances. They make a variety of sounds, including snorts, roars, cries, and barks. But they also specialize in low-frequency rumbles and are able to pick up sounds in an unusual way. Caitlin O'Connell Rodwell, a biologist at Stanford University, found that the lower frequency vocalizations and foot stomping of elephants resonate at a frequency other elephants can detect through the ground. Enlarged ear bones and sensitive nerve endings in their feet and trunks allow elephants to pick up these infrasonic messages. The ability to detect such seismic vibrations also helps elephants survive. When an agitated elephant stomps, they're not just warning those in the immediate area, they may also be warning other elephants miles away. And when an elephant rumbles a call, it could be intended for family members far out of sight. Number 10. Elephants are at risk. All elephants are at risk. The Asian elephant is endangered and the African elephant is vulnerable. The primary threats to elephants are habitat loss, fragmentation, and degradation. Elephants also face human threats. As farmers encroach on elephant habitats to plant crops, conflicts between the animals and humans have led to the retaliatory killing of elephants. Asian elephants in particular, which inhabit one of the planet's most densely populated areas, are unable to coexist with the expanding human population. There are some innovative efforts to deter elephants away from human settlements and farms, reducing friction between the two species. One example is Project Orange Elephant in Sri Lanka, which incentivizes farmers to plant orange trees around their homes and garden plots. Elephants dislike citrus, and the farmers gain an additional crop to sell for profit. In spite of the 1989 international trade ban on ivory sales, the illegal and legal hunting and poaching of elephants for their tusks, hide, meat, and fur have been a large contributor to the decline of elephants, especially in Africa. Asian elephants are also poached, and since only males have tusks, this also leads to a shortage of males in the breeding population and a lack of genetic diversity.